During the World War II, there was an internal treaty between Nepal and Britain about the mobilization of Nepalese soldiers. After World War II, East India Company left out and India got freedom from British reign in 1947.
When British reign left out the India, they took 4 regiments away with them and 7 Gorkha regiment were left with India as Indian Army. The first British Gorkha battalion was created in the Lahore. A tripartite agreement was signed among Britain, India and Nepal as a treaty concerning the rights of Gorkhas in military service in 1947. After independence, Gorkha regiments were split between British and Indian armies. Initially, welfare activities for ex-servicemen in Nepal were undertaken directly by Mill Wing till 1969. However, owing to ever-increasing welfare requirements of ex-servicemen, the need for a separate branch was felt and thus the welfare branch came into existence in June 1970. Since then it has been carrying out multifarious welfare schemes, activities for ex-servicemen and their dependents. Welfare branch provides its service even in the remotest areas of Nepal. The welfare branch consists of HQ Nepal Bharatiya Gorkha Sainik Board (NBGSB) along with 25 district soldier boards (DSBs) which act as foot on ground to take our schemes closer to areas where maximum concentration of ex-servicemen is. Now there are 25 DSBs are functioning in Nepal. Welfare branch is looking after all welfare activities and executing the tasks of welfare schemes which grant benefit to the ex-servicemen, Veer Naris and their dependents in Nepal. Some of the welfare schemes being provided through DIAV and KSB are Educational Grant, Distress Penury Grant, Computer Grant, Mobility EQPT and Disabled Grant, House Repair Grant and Modification of Bathrooms for Disabled and Wheelchair-Bound Soldier, Daughter Marriage Grant, Widow Remarriage Grant, Financial Assistance to Non-Pensioners, Financial Assistance to Schools etc. Welfare branch is also looking after the welfare projects being run by Development and Progressive Wing, Embassy of India. These projects also greatly benefit to our ex-servicemen, dependents and their villages. Drinking water projects, solar electrification and construction of schools were popular schemes under this project. Gifting of ambulances and provisioning of school buses are also existent till now. Besides these, welfare branch also plays a multi-dimension and significant role in Nepal to assist the Nepal domiciled Gorkhas in any untoward situations. Earthquake Relief Program of the year 2015 was an effective support to BHUPs who have lost, damages their houses and properties and lives all. During the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, Welfare Branch has rescued approx. 2,000 stranded Nepal domiciled Indian Army soldier from Nepal who had completed their leave and required to rejoin the duty. Welfare Branch reached in this milestone by the dedication, devotion and tirelessness efforts rendered by the staffs who have done since its establishment, and those who are not among us at present but rendered their dedicated service to this organization. Welfare Branch will continue its services in future too because we believe BHUPs are our true strength. We are here for them.
गोर्खालीको छोरो म गोर्खे मेरो नाम